I'm Rachel, this is 1 Minute History, and today we're talking about hot wings. Wings in a peppery hot sauce. Where did it all begin? Today we're going back to 1964, Buffalo, New York, Anchor Bar. Co-owner Teresa Bellissimo cooked hot wings as a late-night snack for her son and his friends. They were such a hit that the Bellissimos put them on the menu the very next day. Served with celery slices and a blue cheese sauce, buffalo wings were the new go-to order. This was also a huge success because that salty, spicy nature of the wings brought beer sales through the roof. I'm Rachel, and this is 1 Minute History.